Hello everyone, my name is Mohd Salman. I was a subscriber of Mission FMGE December 2024 and I've secured 173.
So we have few rapid questions for you. Can we start?
Yes, please.
So my first question is BTR or Mission Life? Your go-to plan?
I think both, but
Sir,
first mission class, then the BTR.
how did you fight off distractions, scrolling or binge watching?
I fight distractions just by being focused.
How many times did you ask yourself, is BTR enough?
I didn't ask this, I think BTR is in.
Who is your top 3 cerebellum faculties?
The first is Dr Master Sir for surgery. I'm a big fan of him. Because of him, I scored around 28 correct in the surgery in the second part. The second is, of course, everyone's favorite, the Goga Sir. 3 is very less. I have many more. Vivek Jain Sir. Of course, the medicine, Dilip Sir for medicine.
My last question is, sir, one trick you use to improve your GT?
It's very simple. I just have the positive mindset. And whenever I do the wrong question, suddenly I find myself hopeless. So what I did now, there are sets of 150 questions. I used to say to myself, okay, I have to do 15 questions wrong in every set. So if 2 or 3 questions became wrong now, so it's like, oh, 12 more I have to do wrong. With that strategy, I used to secure 190 out of 300. And the same result I got in the final exam, 173.
Thank you so much, sir.